can you file a lawsuit if you sign a waiver? If you engage in certain risky activities, you may be asked to sign a waiver or release of liability. For example, if you go whitewater rafting or skydiving, you will likely have to sign such a waiver. But if you are later injured in these activities, you may wonder whether the waiver in fact prevents you from suing. What is a personal injury waiver? Personal injury waivers are used by schools, religious organizations, and companies in any activity that carries some risk. By signing the waiver, you typically agree to undergo the activity in exchange for agreeing not to sue the entity should you suffer any injury. While that may seem like an even exchange, the truth is that many individuals sign such waivers without realizing what they are signing or fully understanding the risk. When you may still be able to sue. Personal injury waivers typically do not prohibit a lawsuit in every case. Some common situations where you still may be able to sue for damages include negligence. The waiver typically only protects the organization running the activity from ordinary dangers in the course of business. These waivers may not cover injuries due to negligence, carelessness, or other preventable acts. Deliberate wrongdoing. A waiver will likely not protect an organization from injuries resulting from deliberate wrongdoing. For example, if an entity attempts to save money by not purchasing mandatory safety equipment, the entity may be liable for injuries regardless of whether there is a waiver. Children. You typically need legal capacity to sign a binding contract. As a result, minors and those who lack mental capacity may not have the ability to sign a binding waiver. Fraud or misrepresentation. If the organization engaging in the risky activity does not fully apprise participants of the risk involved or misrepresents the danger, the waiver may not be enforceable. You need to know what you are signing, and the organization must be upfront with the type of danger and risk of danger.